There's a special kind of freedom that only a few people ever experience. It's the freedom of knowing that your money is safe no matter who sues, who divorces, or what the market does. Now, when you don't have to look over your shoulder, you move differently, you think bigger, you live lighter. And that's what today's video is about, how the ultra wealthy protect their peace, their privacy, and their prosperity, and how you can do the same. Now picture this, you're on vacation, maybe somewhere like the Amalfi Coast, or right down here in the Caribbean. Your business is running, your investments are growing, life feels effortless. Then out of nowhere, the phone lights up with a text from your assistant. You've been served. It doesn't matter how innocent you are. The second those words hit, everything changes. Your pulse spikes. Your world shrinks to one thought. How much of what I've built can they take? Now, most people only start thinking about protection after that moment. But the people who stay calm, the ones who sip their espresso and go back to reading their book, they already set up their fortress. Here's what the wealthy do differently. They don't rely on luck, lawyers, or good faith. They rely on law, structured correctly in the right jurisdictions. When a billionaire gets sued, the lawyers on the other side know they're wasting their time because his assets aren't sitting in his name, they're sitting inside legal armor, LLCs, land trusts, and offshore asset protection trusts designed to be lawsuit proof. The secret isn't having money, it's having control without ownership. And that's the difference between being rich and being untouchable. Now, a lot of people think they're protected because they formed an LLC in their home state or they put their assets into a revocable trust. But let me tell you, those are speed bumps, not walls. A domestic trust is under the control of a U.S. court. A judge here can simply say, turn over the assets and boom, you're done. I've seen people lose everything they thought was protected. It's like locking your door but giving the burglar a key because the law compels you to. If your assets can be reached by a local judge, they're not truly protected. And the wealthy know that. That's why the serious players take the next step. They go offshore. Now, distance isn't just geography. It's jurisdictional immunity. So let's say you have a Cook Islands trust, the gold standard of asset protection. In fact, my firm and I have set up more Cook Islands trusts than anyone in the world. If it's governed by Cook Islands law, not U.S. law. So even if a judge here says, turn over the assets, the trustee is legally forbidden from complying. That means even if somebody wins a lawsuit against you in the States, they still have to start a brand new case in the Cook Islands. And we see this over and over again for our clients all over the nation and around the world. And over there in the Cook Islands, the burden of proof is beyond a reasonable doubt, a criminal standard. Plus, the plaintiff has to post a bond up front, often $100,000 or more if we do a Nevis trust, just to get started. Or in the Cook Islands, they typically have to pay an attorney that up front just to get the case started. So you can imagine how many give up right there, and that's why I call it peace of mind by design. Now here's where it gets elegant. With the right structure, you can still control your assets day to day. You just don't own them directly. For example, you can have a Cook Islands trust, own a Cook Islands LLC. You're the manager of that LLC, so you control the accounts, properties, and investments. If a legal threat appears, the offshore trustee can temporarily step in as that LLC manager to protect the assets instantly, putting everything out of reach of the U.S. courts. When the danger passes, control reverts back to you. So this calm and storm design is how the ultra-wealthy stay unbothered. They can sip a cocktail on the beach while their attorney back home is frantically fielding subpoenas, knowing there's nothing to seize. Real wealth isn't just numbers on a statement. It's the ability to sleep deeply at night, to walk barefoot on the sand without checking your phone for bad news, to invest boldly, give generously, and live fully because you know that no one can take it away. And that's what this kind of planning buys you, peace of mind. Most people chase more money, the elite chase more freedom. And that freedom comes from removing the threat. I'm Kevin, the business guy, the CEO of the Lawyers Limited Law Firm and Asset Protection Planners. And for 34 years, I've helped high net worth individuals shield what they've built. In fact, we've established more Cook Islands trusts than any other firm in the world. Our clients include physicians, investors, business owners, even celebrities, people with targets on their backs. And the same system that protects them can protect you. So here's how it works. Step one, we analyze your risk profile. Lawsuits, business exposure, real estate, partnerships, marital risks. Step two, we structure your assets through legal entities and LLCs to separate and insulate them. Step three, we place those entities under an offshore trust, typically in the Cook Islands or Belize, which acts as the ultimate shield. Step number four, we help establish offshore banking relationships in safe jurisdictions with strict privacy laws. So it isn't just theory, it's a blueprint that's protected billions in clients' assets over the 34 years I've been in this business. Here's a truth few lawyers say out loud: timing is everything. If you wait until after you're sued, it's often too late. U.S. judges can reverse transfers they call fraudulent conveyances. But when you move assets before there's trouble, when the seas are calm, you're golden. So think of it like hurricane shutters. You don't install them in the middle of the storm, you install them on a sunny day like today. So that's why high net worth clients act early. They don't need convincing. They understand prevention is the ultimate luxury. Now some people ask, but isn't this expensive? I tell them, compared to what? I mean, the average lawsuit in the U.S. costs $91,000 just to defend. One bad case can wipe out a lifetime of savings, a business, or a reputation. Meanwhile, the cost of protection is just a fraction of that. And it works globally, 24/7 without complaint or emotion. And the biggest expense in asset protection isn't the setup, it's the regret of not setting it up. Let me tell you a story. A client of ours, a successful tech CEO, got hit with a $12 million lawsuit. He called me as calm as ever. He said, "Kevin, do I need to do anything?" And I said, "No, you already did." The trust held the LLCs held the assets, the opposing attorneys spent 2 years chasing him and walked away empty-handed. So he still owns his home, his business, and his yacht. His biggest stress? Choosing which island to vacation on next. And that's the power of planning ahead. Okay, now we live in a world where visibility attracts risk. Post the wrong pictures online and someone's already calculating what to sue you for. The key is to become boringly invisible, not by hiding, but by structuring. When your name disappears from property records, when your personal accounts are separated from your business, and when everything rolls up into a trust in another jurisdiction, suddenly you're not an easy target. You're not worth suing. And that's when you can finally relax. There's elegance in invisibility, a quiet sophistication in being beyond reach. Okay, here's what I've learned. After 34 years, people who protect what they have early think differently. They play offense, not defense. They think in decades, not quarters. So they understand the protection isn't fear, it's strategy. The unprotected say, "I'll deal with it when it happens." The protected say, "It'll never happen because I already did it." When you live that way, you carry yourself differently. You don't flinch when opportunity knocks. You don't hesitate when somebody threatens. You just smile like this because you already have it handled. So the bottom line is, it isn't about paranoia, it's about preservation. You worked decades to build what you have, so why should one lawsuit, one accident, or one vengeful ex-partner take it away? The truth is, the world rewards those who prepare. And the most luxurious lifestyle isn't the cars, watches, or villas, it's being untouchable. True luxury is waking up on a weekday morning, sipping coffee by the ocean, knowing that nothing and no one can take what's yours. Now, if you take nothing else from today, take this. Freedom without protection is fragile. But when your wealth is properly structured, when your trust and LLCs form a shield between you and the world, that's when freedom becomes permanent. So if you're watching this and you built something worth protecting, don't wait for the storm. Do what the wealthy do, act now while it's calm, because serenity looks a lot like this moment, peaceful, simple, and untouchable. And finally, if you're ready to build your own fortress of calm, visit us at assetprotectionplanners.com. You can get a lot of free information there. And if you like, if you have $500,000 or more to protect, you can speak directly with our legal team. We'll walk you through your options and design a custom plan, whether that's a Cook Islands trust, Belize trust, or multi-layered structure. And if you're already a high net worth individual, this is your next evolution. You've built the wealth. Now protect the peace that comes with it. I'm Kevin, the business guy, the CEO of the Lawyers Limited Law Firm. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay untouchable. See you next time.